to build the armourdog 360 rugged case. Now, it's really important first, before you start, make sure you have the right case for your tablet. Line up the tablet, the ports and the buttons, and just double check that you do have the right one. If you do clean it now, it just means that there's no dust trapped inside, so give it a good clean before you start. Along the edge of the case there are these triangle markers, and that shows you where you can separate the outer protective layer from the inner frame. You can use the white tab to help you pry this off. Now, I'm not going to lie, this is actually quite difficult, but it's very strong, so really use a bit of strength to separate and pry apart the outer case from the inner hard frame. Once that's done, you see there these little clips around the edge of the frame. Use those to unclip the front of the frame from the back. Now you can then pull the label off, so it's ready to go, and then you place the tablet back into the main frame. Now double check that the ports and the cameras are lined up, so it's definitely the right way around. And then you click the frame back into place, making sure that each of the clips is perfectly secure and in place. Just double check everything, that it's very secure. Now we have to put it back into the outer frame, and again, this is quite difficult. It is such a snug fit. It's designed to be that way, so use strength to push the silicone outer layer over the top of the inner hard frame. Double check everything's in place and it's a nice secure fit. Give it a good clean, and pretty much that's it. Now we're ready to go. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll do our very best to support you. Thank you very much.